Welcome to Building the Queenscliffe HUB Part 2. Since our last video, work has continued behind the hoarding which so effectively screens the site of the building. Today we have been invited on site by the ResiCare foreman Paul to see how the building has progressed through June. The underground services have been put in and the basement floor slab has been completed. The bricklayers have been back and been working hard to almost complete the basement walls. For the first time we can get a sense of the layout of the basement. You can see the communications room where internet and other connections come in. The shared general storage area. The museum collection storage. Visitors to the hub will be able to enter at this level through this doorway. On the right will be the lift to access the museum, the visitor information centre and the library on the floor above. On the other side of this lobby is the collection studio where QHM artefacts will be recorded and conserved. This is an important facility that the museum has never had before. We're looking over where the Visitor Information Centre will be and the adjacent entrance to the hub and the courtyard. Now let's have a look at what's happening in the old Queenscliffe Library. There has been a lot of structural work undertaken and the floor has been reinforced and relaid. At the end of the library space, you can see the wall framing for the staff room and the amenities. The whole building has been reconfigured with some openings bricked up and others created to suit the new purposes for the spaces. The old builder's saying that you have to make a mess to make amends completely sums up this stage of the renovation of the old library. It is expected that the tilt slab walls will go up at the hub in the next month, so watch out for part 3 of Building the Queenscliffe HUB. Subscribe to the QHM YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to make sure you don't miss future videos. Please also share and like, which helps our channel grow. Thanks to the Queenscliffe Historical Museum volunteers Ron Hodgetts, Ruby Dalton, Ian and Michelle Jamison and Stephen Lee. Thank you for watching.